Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of meal prep for beginners. Let's talk about how to plan and cook for the week. Meal prep is an incredibly beneficial method for ensuring that you're consistently consuming wholesome, nutritious meals throughout your entire week. Not only does it serve as an excellent way to save precious time and money, but it also helps you maintain a healthy lifestyle. First, take a moment to sit down and plan your meals for the upcoming week. Take into consideration your schedule, your dietary requirements, and your cravings. Then, create a grocery list and head out to the store to shop for your needs. Once you have all your ingredients, it's time to cook. Cook in batches and store your meals in containers. This will make it easy to grab and go when you're busy. Remember, meal prep doesn't have to be complicated. Start small and work your way up. With a little practice, you'll be a pro in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Stay healthy, friends.